Hello everyone, welcome back to fluttercoder.in. In last video, we have seen that how we can make use of the curved animation to have the different type of effects of the curves with in our animation, and how we can interpolate between the values from the beginning to end. Now, until now we have seen that we have defined the animation controller and the size animation, which is using the tween from the going between this beginning to the end to animate this container, and while the animation is being played, and the animation is being played in the repeated manner with the reverse equals to true. Now in this one, what we have done, that we have defined the listener for this animation controller, that whenever it is interpolating between these two values, whenever it is being moved from 100 to 400 and 400 to 100, it is being listened and it is performing the side step. Now what is happening over here, that it is performing the rebuilds of this particular screen, and that's how it is showcasing the animation of this container. Now that's not the base practice that what we have. So to make the base practice of this one, we just need to eliminate the use of this listener from here. But what will happen then? It won't perform anything. Now what will happen if I am performing the save over here, then it will try to showcase whatever the animations are being happening in the background, and it will repaint this container with that particular value. And to eliminate that one, we need to wrap this container with the animated builder, one of the widget that will be handling the animation under hood of it. So let me just have my practice. So I will be wrapping this with the builder, so I can make use of the animated builder, and this will be the child, and it requires the animation, which will listen to the animation, and for that particular parameter we will be assigning our animation controller. Now saving this one, it will start animating again the same as before it was doing. So the animated builder is the widget which will be listening to the animation controller, and which will be repeating, which will be moving, performing the animation and between these two values, and for this particular duration. And it is also associated with the size animation, which is making use of that animation controller, and those values are being assigned to this container. Now to extend this one, let's change the color, and for that one we will define the another animation. And here we will be defining the color tween. So same as the tween, which is the basic class, the base class, where we can define any type of values from beginning to end, and with the help of the color tween, which is creates a color tween. So from the beginning to end, it will be having the associated colors. So let's begin with that one. Orange, and it will end with the green, and again it will be having the animate, and here we will be having the curved animation parent as our animated controller, and curve as, let's have it one off as a bounce out. And we will be defining this to the color animation dot value. Now as we have just associated this value, we need to rerun this one, but let me just before that comment down this color. So as we can see that whatever initial values that we have taken, those all been converted to the tween from the beginning to end, and those tweens those animations are associated with the animation controller, which is making this animation run from the beginning to the end. And animation builder is the widget in under hood. These containers are being animated with this particular value, and the values are being assigned, that is the size animation and the color animation, and with these values this container is being animated and having this particular animation. So that's how we can make best use of the animation controller, a different animation instance or different animation parameters, same as the size animation and the color animation, and we can define the different tweens, and we can make use of we can build the various animation over here. Now in this video we will be stopping on this one, but in next video we will see that how we can chain the tween animations. Chaining in the sense that we will be having the different tween animation chaining with each other to perform the animation on the container. So stay tuned for that one, and thank you very much for viewing this video till the end. Please subscribe and like and share it to the friends.